you are going to actually turn on a hotspot on your Samsung device, and actually your mobile hotspot is not turning on. Even if you tap on it 1,000 times, it's not turning on. I'm going to help you. I want to show you how to fix that. Okay, pretty simple. Stay tuned, watch the video until the end. Now do for me this, okay? So come back to your settings, okay? That is your Samsung settings, okay? Go back to your Samsung settings initially, then tap your connections right here. So when you tap on connections, you're going to see what they call data usage right here. Tap data usage. Now, when data saver is on, okay, mobile hotspot will not turn on. Okay, so what you're going to do is tap on data saver and make sure that you turn off data saver right here. So when you turn off the data saver and come back to turn on your hotspot, mobile hotspot right here, okay, you'll find that right now you can actually turn it on from right there. Do you see that? So you can actually see now it's turning on, unlike before when it was actually not turning on. Are we together? Please make sure you hit the subscribe button if you pick value in this video. See you next time. Now you can actually use your mobile hotspot.